Hey, 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 hey!
Look at what I got. I got a birdie.
What?
Let's see, Ruthie. Lost her collar. Put your collar back on. So we can see who you are.
The other ones are playing with the balls.
And Copper, he lost his collar. He's back on. There you go. I don't get the other ones. I put two in there. There's
Yeah?
Copper. Okay. Here we go. Look what we got over here. Come on, Ruthie. Come on, baby. Looky here. Look what we got. Look at these birds. What are they doing? What are they doing? Come check them out. He is intent on that ball over there. I think that's Oliver.
Yeah. He's loving that tennis ball.
That was Oliver. He was having
Is that Copper there or that Todd, the one biting the
Oh,
cage?
this is Copper.
Yeah.
Looky there. I even got something better than a ball. Yes, you. Oh, look, he stuck his nose right in there.
Who's
Look
that?
at his, that was Oliver. He was playing with the ball intently over there. He went right over and stuck his nose in the cage. He's a birdie dog too. He was just focused on that ball. Hey, buddy.
I went to play with the birds.
There you go. Oh, look at him bite the cage. Oh, get your mouth stuck.
Yeah.
Sometimes that
Really good.
happens.
Yeah. Oh, that one's over here ripping on the grass. Green grass. He's trying to undo the latch.
That's Oliver. He's a ball dog and a bird dog. Here, don't. Here. Don't get your mouth stuck on that. There you go.
Here's
Hi
Molly.
Hi there.
She's kind of pointing right there.
Hee hee hee.
Trying to get in there.
That's a good day. It's a good sunny day. I'm gonna get you guys out in the grass. There you go. Well, what's called the grass, I suppose.
It used to be grass.
Dead brown stuff. Hi there, buddy. Hi. Hi. Here. Looky there, Duke. Looky there, Duke. Look. There's the bird. Lucy. Hi there, Lucy. Hi. Hi, hi, hi. See if I can set it up if it looks different.
Yeah.
We're getting a little bored, little short attention span there.
Yeah, to pull it away.
There you go.
Well, that one will fall over.
I'm gonna hold on to it.
Oh,
That gets him. Oh, the birds are gonna peck at him.
that's okay.
That'll get him closer to the bird. Here's Ruthie. She's like, I'm gonna get you.
And this one here is this pink collar here. So that's Claire.
That's Claire. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Daisies on the corner.
You can eat the cage. What do you guys? They're just eating the grass. What the heck?
That way they can squirt later.
You guys haven't seen green grass here.
Mm-hmm.
You need your greens or something? Here we go.
Mm-hmm. Don't digest.
Oh, yeah, she's stuck. There we go. Yeah, I see you were stuck. There you go.
That one doesn't digest so well.
There we go. Cover up the green grass. Here, you guys. Yeah. Vegetables. It's Molly playing with the ball. Birds are like, I'm not gonna move. That's Copper. Likes it. pretty intense over there.
Mm-hmm.
They get all dirty. What, is there another type of green grass over there? What are you guys doing?
Yeah, but that's pretty good, I think. Bird probably pooped. Yeah, they're all pretty well focused on the bird.
Green grass? That's ridiculous.
That one's got a rock in her mouth.
Uh-oh.
There you go.
Rocks.
That one right too,
This one?
Molly. Yeah. No rocks.
No rocks. We live with the rocks.